Well, it's a huge privilege to have one of the finest actors, Mr. Tiku Talsania, with us here in Shillong, in Meghalaya. The moment I saw him yesterday on the sets of Bruni, that's the film that he is shooting for right now, and yesterday, and I was totally bowled over because we've watched so many of his performances, and he's a damn good actor. It's a pleasure having you on Bollywood Gama, first of all.
Oh, thank you very much for having me and calling me a lovely actor. I like that.
No, absolutely. I was just doing a bit of research on you today, and I saw one of your interviews. I just read one of your interviews where you've said that you'd like to keep working till the time you are in this world, which is I think a wonderful thought.
Yes, I want to go up in my boots. I want to live life to the fullest, and this is one job which you love so much, and you get paid for doing it. So I'm one of the few privileged guys who loves to do his job and gets paid for it.
Right. Now you're shooting with this movie called Bruni, and yesterday we were on the sets in Cherrapunji. Now it's an unusual subject. It's a dog romance, which I think people don't hear of. And the fact is that what Hollywood proves is that ultimately it's the concept, it's the subject which is the hero of the film,
Yes.
and not the superstars that we believe in all the time.
Yeah. Bruni is a very unusual story. It's a beautiful love story between humans and dogs. And I've been an ardent dog lover. I love dogs, and everybody in the film loves dogs. But I go the other way around, and I don't love Bruni, and then ultimately I come to love Bruni. So it's basically a walk from not loving to loving.
That laughter, that laughter of Tiku ji that we've seen in so many movies, which is fabulous. All right, now what is it about this entire concept that appealed to you? The star cast is relatively new. You are the most recognizable face in a way in the movie as well. What is it that appealed to you, sir? Apart from the factor that you are a dog lover.
When Suraj, our director, he came to narrate the entire story, we met at Oberoi Mall. It was a mall, and we were sitting there sipping coffee, and he was telling me the story.
Yeah.
And the passion with which he told me the entire thing, the entire story, was tremendous. And that is what drew me towards this film.
Right. Now, as I believe your first film came in 1986, from what I understand.
I have not counted my films. No, neither have I counted the years.
In the year 1986.
Probably. It was after Ye Jo Hai Zindagi I had got my first break. The film was called Duty. It was directed by the late Shri Ravikant Nagayaj, who had done the film Farz, and it was a brilliant film, and into which I was playing the main villain. I was doing the main. I was the main villain, and
Right.
Govinda was the hero. And I think I forgot the heroine's name. She's a wonderful actress too. And we did a fantastic job. It was my first film as a villain. So I had asked Ravikant ji that why have you taken me as the villain of the film?
Right.
Because I was basically known at that time by my dialogue, "Ye kya ho raha hai?"
Right.
It was very famous in Ye Jo Hai Zindagi.
Right.
तो he said आप तेलुगु वर्जन फिल्म का देख लें
Right.
और आपको पता चल जाएगा कि मैंने आपको क्यों चुना. अब जब तेलुगु वर्जन देखा तो विलन जो था वो मेरा जुड़वा भाई लग रहा था. उसने हर जगह मूछें लगाई थी, बड़ी बड़ी मूछें. साउथ में तो बस चले तो वो लोग कान पे भी मूछें लगाते इतने बाल थे. तो वेल वो दैट वाज द क्राइटेरिया एज टू व्हाई आई वाज चोजन फॉर दैट फिल्म, एंड आई वाज मेड टू प्ले द मेन विलन. एंड ऑफ कोर्स द फिल्म डिडंट रन मच. इट वाज मेन 12 बजे लगी, 12:30 बजे उतर गई. Opera House with me, but it was fun. It was a fantastic experience, and it happens. I mean, that's the time where you come to know, where you start learning the grips of Bollywood.
Absolutely. Now, you're talking about Ye Jo Hai Zindagi. Now, Ye Jo Hai Zindagi, those of the people who've seen Ye Jo Hai Zindagi, I think it was an iconic serial. They don't make such serials anymore.
Yes.
And I've seen it, and I still remember that when ये जो जिंदगी was used to come at that point of time, वो विको वज्रदंती का ad आता था उसमें.
Yes.
And
Viku Vajradanti was our main sponsor.
right, and it was, and even that Bajaj bulbs as well, because those were, even the ads were entertainment, because इतना कम material आता था television पे at that point of time.
जी.
So how do you look back at ये जो जिंदगी, because it had taken the entire country by storm at that point of time.
Yes.
Shafi Inamdar,
Shafi Inamdar, Satish Shah, Swaroop Sampat. In fact, people were mistaking me for Satish Shah and vice versa. Him, as you know, they used to shout that. ये क्या हो रहा है to him. And he was always say that I wish वो मेरी line होती तो बहुत अच्छा होता. No, but it was great fun. We had a fantastic time. And during those days, we used to shoot one episode in 5 days. It used to take us 5 days to shoot one episode. We used to have 17 hours of VHS tape, which Mr. Rajan Vagdhare was our Mr. Rajan was our editor that time, and he used to sit and ponder over all the tape, and he used to chop it and cut it the way he wanted, and then there would be 3 versions of the episode before it went on to telecast on television.
My God.
And that is how and why we got the best of Ye Jo Hai Zindagi. I mean, Ye Jo Hai Zindagi was one of the
No, definitely.
iconic series that
Every-
happened that time.
The best part was that everything about that, every episode was something that used to savor, because kuch na kuch in terms of the comedy and in terms of the story idea, every time
Yes.
there was something to look forward to. Tiku ji has done 200 films. He has done many television series as well. I was telling him yesterday when I met him that his role in Dil Hai Ki Manta Nahi, where he played that editor, the grumpy editor who got harassed by Amir Khan, is something that I think almost anyone and everyone remembers that. How do you look back at that particular performance? The movie was a big hit. Your performance was noticed big time.
There, well, that I can tell you. There was एक छोटा सा किस्सा है जो मैं सभी लोगों को सुनाना चाहता हूँ. क्या है कि मेरा एक सीन था, जहाँ रघु जेटली आता है और मुझसे पैसे लेकर चला जाता है.
Right.
एंड वो सीन बहुत अच्छा हुआ था. एंड ही सेज फाइनली ही सेज कि नहीं, आई एम नॉट गेटिंग मैरिड टू हर एंड द स्टोरी इज नॉट वर्किंग आउट, सो हियर्स योर मनी, आई गिव इट, ही गिव्स मी बैक द मनी,
Right.
एंड आई टेक द मनी एंड आई गिव इट बैक टू हिम एंड आई टेल हिम कि वापस आना, बातें करेंगे बातें. And I was very satisfied with the scene and I was feeling so good and top of the world. I said, यार बस अब तो निकल पड़ी भैया. लेकिन ऐसा हुआ कि 15 दिन रिलीज़ के 15 दिन पहले भट्ट साहब का फ़ोन आया. एटी को क्या कर रहा है? मैंने कहा मैं घर पे हूँ सर. क्या है? तो आजा फिल्म सिटी आजा. क्या हुआ क्या? नहीं, वो सीन जो है वो थोड़ा सा चेंज करना पड़ेगा. क्या हुआ क्या? ये आमिर यार, एंड नहीं तो आ तो जा, आई कांट टेल यू ओवर द फोन, यू जस्ट कम.
Right.
सो आई सेड मर गए यार, गया मेरा सीन. वो एक छोटा सा था, वो भी अच्छा था, वो भी गया. तो आई रीच द सेट एंड आमिर सामने से मुझे लेने आया. आइए सर, बैठिए. ही ऑफर्ड मी अ चेयर, मेड मी सिट डाउन. आई वाज फीलिंग सो गुड कि यार, यानी वाकई में वो सीन जो है वो जाने वाला है. मुझे ऐसे ही लगा क्योंकि but Amir has been always very, very polite and very, I mean, he respects everybody so much,
Right.
And वो दिमाग में एक होता है ना कि वो गया, सीन जा रहा है. तो he said, yeah, it is the same scene that you were thinking about, and क्या है कि I would like to make a small change in it. I said, नहीं, क्या हुआ क्या? What is the basic thing?
Right.
He says, throughout the film मैंने किसी से पैसे नहीं लिए. इनाम के भी पैसे नहीं लेता है. इसके पिताजी ने, अनुपम खेर ने, ₹1,00,000 का इनाम रखा था. वो बोलता वो भी मुझे नहीं चाहिए, मुझे सिर्फ मेरे पैसे चाहिए जो मैंने खर्च किए थे उसके. He says, I have seen the film 25 times, and if I take that money from you, Natikuji, my entire film will, my character will flop in the film, because I have not taken money from anybody.
Oh, that's very interesting.
So this is the great Amir Khan who thought about it, and he put it there, and he made Bhatt Sahab shoot the scene again. And scene में ये होता है कि I give him the money, and he the same way I tear the notes into half, and I mean the bundle into half, and I put the money in his hand, and he puts it back into my hand, and he says, no worries sir, मुझे नहीं चाहिए आपके पैसे, थैंक यू सो मच।
My God, that's a very interesting story actually. That's a very interesting story. Okay, you're part of Andaz Apna Apna as well.
Oh yeah, that is a fun film. My son has a copy of Andaz Apna Apna, and whenever they are depressed, my kids they put on that film, and they laugh their guts out, and they ask me all sort of anecdotes and all the things that happen on the set.
Right.
But it was fun shooting that film with Rajkumar Santoshi Sahab. It was really great fun.
And it's becoming like an iconic film now.
Yes, it
become
is
a
an
really
iconic film. Yes. Both the actors had done wonderfully well.
Right.
Salman Khan also and Amir Sahab also. Amir Khan also did a very good job, and Salman also did a fantastic job.
Absolutely. There's so many people who would love to see a sequel to that movie as well. All right. So how do you look back at this journey? You also said in some interview that you feel that these days the main actors, the heroes, they tend to do almost everything in terms of the hero role and the comedy and the action and the villainous as well. So somewhere the character actors they're having relatively lesser space. You know?
No, I mean it's not that. I think as things have progressed and as the technology has taken over, I think the more emphasis is rather on today. The emphasis is on the script. Your script is your hero. Your hero is not the hero.
Absolutely.
You know. So when the script becomes the hero, then there is always space for we character actors to come in.
Absolutely.
So that is happening, and that is what I'm very happy about. Now that the script has become the hero, and a good script always works. Whether it is a Dangal or any, I mean, I don't remember names, I'm very bad at names, but a good script works, a good concept works, something good and eye-catching always works. Gone are the days of those, love stories and the heroines running around the trees with the heroes and singing songs. Of course, that all will be there because that's nostalgia.
Right.
But it has become more direct now. It's more direct now, and with the coming in of internet and all that, things have become much faster. So people realize things coming in more faster, and there are so many stories on the internet nowadays. So your content has to be good. Unless and until your content is not good, nobody's going to watch your film.
Absolutely. So in all the films that you've done so far, what has been the most satisfying work of yours?
I have enjoyed every film. Believe you in me, I have enjoyed and I have had a fantastic time in all my films. I've had fun, and nothing more. I mean, nothing less than fun.
Right.
And I couldn't have asked for more. Thank you, God, for giving me everything.
Absolutely. But still, there must be some performances that have been satisfying.
Well, Dil Hai Ke Manta Nahi was fun. Devdas was fun.
Yeah.
Then
That was a serious role that you played.
Yes, it was a serious role. Yes, it was a serious role. And I do theatre, so theatre gives fills all my gaps,
Right. You love to
जो
play
movies में नहीं मिलता मुझे theatre में मिल जाता है, so all my gaps are filled up.
Gujarati theatre. You love to do.
Yes, I do a lot of Gujarati theatre. Yes,
Right.
I
And
love
Gujarati
doing
theatre is
that.
phenomenal.
Yes,
much more than the movies that they produce as well.
Yeah. I mean, it's fun. It's fun because there I get to play varied characters, and a lot of different roles and a lot of different things.
Right.
So, and having a thousand people sitting in front of you, rejecting you outright or accepting you outright.
Absolutely.
So it's within that split second, and that's the fun. That's the adrenaline.
Right. And you're also having Patel Ki Punjabi Shadi with Rishi Kapoor that is coming up.
Yes. I've yet to get my money in that. Anyway, that's secondary. No, but that's a good film, and it is directed by Sanjay Chhaya, and after a lot of mashakkat, it has come together, and I think it will finally hit the screens very soon.
Fantastic. So we'd like to do a rapid fire with you as well.
Oh.
So rapid fire with Tiku Talsania. A role of yours closest to your heart.
Devdas.
One major change in comedy genre since 1990s.
Hero is doing it.
Okay. An actor from the current slot you think has the best comic timing.
All of them. All of them. There's not one single person I can, everybody, right from Amir Khan to Sanjay Dutt to Ajay Devgan to Salman Khan to everybody. All the guys are doing great work.
So that was a diplomatic answer, but if you can give a one name.
You can say politically correct.
Politically correct.
No. All of them have got. They are fantastic
But
people.
see, I'm sure that
Shah Rukh Khan has got fantastic
Right.
timing. We did Kabhi Haan Kabhi Na, and what an actor he is also.
कभी ना कभी ना phenomenal work by you as well.
Phenomenal,
Okay, वो आएगा तो बैंक में करारे नोटों की तरह, लेकिन मैंने भी अगर उससे चिल्लर बना के नहीं भेजा तो मैं अब भी अपने पड़ोसी की औलाद नहीं. Could you recite this dialogue with the same intensity as it was in the movie Ishq? That was once again Amir Khan.
That was that was years back, and that was basically done by Induji, a director, who he insisted that I say the line in that particular way, and he made me do it, and I did it.
I can give you the dialogue if you want.
No. Re-saying the entire line will cost you money. So
So this interview is going to go to millions of people all across the world. I can assure you that.
they can see the film and enjoy it there. Here, I'll have to get back into that and do it again.
No problem. Your reaction when now someone bets that your hand has 11 fingers. Once again, Ishq. Actually, there's a reference to Ishq once again.
Yeah, because I usually am the fall guy. I am the innocent guy who gets buggered up all the time. So that's my reaction.
All right. A recent comedy film you saw and loved it.
Presently, I'm watching a lot of things on Netflix and a lot of things on different places. But I've been reading books a lot, and there have been quite a few favorites. There's so many things, like The House of Cards is a very beautiful television serial by Netflix. Then there is Narcos and all that. This is all deadly stuff. I love that.
Okay. Comedy that you like?
The comedy, I like that piece where Sir Charles Chaplin had done, when in The Great Dictator,
Okay.
when he talks about why can there not be peace and why can't we live in harmony, just like the birds, the sun, the air, the wind.
Right. Okay. All right. A film of yours you'd like to star in a remake of?
All of them. All of them. I've had a fantastic time and I've
Absolutely.
enjoyed myself. But not many films, Judwa or Dil Hai Ke Manta Nahi, or for that, which was the film?
Andaz Apna Apna.
Andaz Apna Apna. Ishq also, yes, Ishq also. Lot many films.
Right. Okay. A comedian of your era you've always admired. A comic actor of your era that you've always admired.
Johnny Lever. Mahmood Sahab, Johnny Lever Sahab. These are all fantastic actors and they are fantastic comedians. They can make you make you laugh till you roll on the floor, and they can get your pants off you. They're
Okay.
such good comedians.
Right. Now, sir, the dice has come, I think, a full circle because your daughter is going to be acting as well with Sonam Kapoor.
Yeah. Yeah.
In their production. Could you?
Yeah, it's
How does it?
It feels very good. I mean, my daughter has done a film before that is called Wake Up Sid,
Right.
in which she was playing Ranveer's friend.
Right.
And she, I mean, everybody saw the film, and I was the last guy to see the film because I wasn't there. So she said that unless and until Dad, you tell me how it is, I'm not going to take it. I mean, everybody said that you're doing a fantastic job and all that, but unless and until you see it and you tell me.
Right.
And believe me, I mean, I was in tears when I saw the film. I felt very good.
Right.
My daughter, I mean, on her own, she's come up so much and she's doing her own job. And I mean, she's doing it the way she wanted it. And she wants to make a brilliant name as an actor. and she is a good actor, so she will.
Fantastic, fantastic. So lovely having you on Borangama, and that too in this beautiful place in Shillong. And on the sets of this movie, Bruni, and we're looking forward to Bruni and all your future ventures. So thank you very much, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Now, I have one thing for you.
Sure.
Why don't you just run like the in the olden days as the heroines used to run into the trees?
I'm not the heroine, sir. You're not
No,
the
do it the hero. You do the Shah Rukh thing, okay?
No.
Come on, let's shoot him. He's going to do the Shah Rukh thing. Come on, just. Zara
You did not recite the dialogue for us, sir. You did not recite. उसके पैसे लगेंगे.
ये है ना आए वापस उसके पैसे लगेंगे. Had a
Thank you,
great
sir.
time. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
brother.
you.
Thanks a lot.
Great
Thank
fun.
you.
Great
Thank you,
fun.
sir.
Thank
Thank
you.